Hey there, woodworking enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a special treat for you. We're diving into 10 amazing woodworking tools available on Amazon that will make your work simpler and more efficient. Let's get started. Number 1. The Wald Flying Shark Diameter 115mm, 6 teeth. Wood saw blade is a top-notch tool for power carving, debarking, and cutting various materials like wood, lightweight materials, and plastics. Known for its high-quality, fine-grained sintered carbide teeth, this blade ensures durability and can be resharpened multiple times. Its design features chip space and chip depth limitations, significantly reducing kickback for safer use. Certified by MPA Hanover, it meets high safety standards. The versatile Flying Shark allows for precise power carving, enhancing your woodworking creativity. Compatible with handheld circular saws, thanks to the included reduction ring to 20mm, it seamlessly integrates into your toolkit. With a diameter of 115mm and 6 sharp teeth, this blade delivers efficient and accurate cuts. Number 2. The SAER Angle Finder Protractor is a versatile and precise tool designed for woodworking, carpentry, and other construction tasks. This 13-inch angle finder ruler combines a ruler and protractor, making it easy to measure both lengths, 0 to 33 centimeters, 0 to 13 inches, and angles, 0 to 180 degrees. Its clear, accurate scale allows for efficient line drawing and angle measurement, saving you time and effort. Constructed from high-quality aluminum, this adjustable woodworking ruler is durable, abrasion-resistant, and lightweight, with a thickness of 12 millimeters. The multi-angle scribing function and knurled nut lock enable quick and accurate angle identification and straight line drawing for setting bevels and radial lines. The laser engraved scales on the angle protractor dial ensure clear readability and long-lasting durability, even in various environments. This multifunctional protractor is ideal for engineering, architectural design, drawing, and length measurement, making it an essential tool for craftsmen, designers, artists, and engineers seeking accuracy and efficiency. Number 3. The G03 Evolution N-Hand Rebate Plane is an essential tool for woodworking, offering advanced features to enhance precision and ease. Designed with ergonomic comfort in mind, this hand planer provides a modern look and comfortable grip suitable for any hand size, reducing strain and ensuring a secure hold. Its design enhances control and precision, making it an excellent replacement for larger machines in many woodworking tasks. One standout feature is its double-sided blades, which last longer and reduce the need for frequent sharpening. You can flip the blades for extended use, making them both durable and cost-effective. By using Rayleigh blades, you can save up to 3 times the cost of professional sharpening. The planer also features an easy adjustment system with a red lever, allowing you to change the blade depth instantly and without hassle. This ensures you can quickly adapt the tool to your specific needs. The automatic blade alignment system guarantees precise results by keeping the blade consistently parallel, ensuring smooth and accurate woodworking. Whether you're smoothing or shaping wood, this feature delivers flawless results with ease. Additionally, the G03 Evolution N is versatile, allowing you to switch between a chromium blade for softwood and a tungsten carbide blade for hardwood. This makes it perfect for working with all types of wood, including green, soft, and hard varieties. With just one planer, you can tackle any woodworking project by simply swapping out the blade to match the wood you're working on. Number 4. The Thorvolt Folding Japanese Saw 240mm is a high-precision professional handsaw designed for wood and PVC cutting. Unlike ordinary handsaws, this Japanese saw cuts on the pull stroke, allowing for ultra-precise, clean, and fast cutting results. Its 23 cm double-toothed saw blade with closely spaced cutting teeth ensures efficient and clean cuts, making even DIY enthusiasts achieve professional-level results. Versatility is a key feature of this saw, which includes 2 locking notches to fix the blade in different positions. This makes it ideal for various tasks such as garden work, plastic cutting, and fine woodworking. The innovative 6-in-1 blade allows you to draw, measure, and make angles, saving time and ensuring precision throughout your carpentry, decorating, and kitchen assembly projects. The saw is foldable for easy storage and transport, making it a safe and convenient tool for both home and on-the-go use. The non-slip handle is ergonomic, durable, and lightweight, providing a comfortable grip. The robust SK5 carbon steel blade combines flexibility and durability, making it a perfect multi-purpose saw. The set includes a high-quality deep hole marker, a carpenter's pencil with a sharpener, and saw blade protection for both sides, enhancing its value and functionality. Whether in the workshop, garden, or out in the field, the Thorvolt folding Japanese saw 240mm is a premium quality tool designed to meet all your cutting needs. Number 5. The Rayleigh 260 Evolution in-hand plane is an innovative woodworking tool designed for ease of use and precision. Unlike traditional hand planes, it requires no setting or sharpening, as the blades are always perfectly square to the sole. This ensures consistent, accurate results every time. The plane features a double-sided blade that can be swapped in seconds, enhancing efficiency. It comes with 4 chrome steel blades conveniently stored under the cap in the handle. For added versatility, replacement blades are available in both chrome steel and carbide. Constructed with a heavy laminated steel sole, the Rayleigh 260 Evolution N is highly resistant to warping, even if dropped, ensuring durability and longevity. The adjustable depth of cut, chip breaker, and throat opening provide customizable performance to suit various woodworking tasks. Additionally, the plane boasts a sleek nickel finish, giving it an attractive, professional appearance. The Rayleigh 260 Evolution in-hand plane combines practicality, durability, and style, making it a valuable addition to any woodworking toolkit. Number 6. The Jorgenson 15-inch handsaw is a versatile and efficient tool designed for woodworking, trimming, gardening, and pruning. With 8 teeth per inch and 3 cutting edges, this coarse handsaw cuts 50% faster than standard saws, enhancing work efficiency and precision. The sharp, aggressive blade comes with a plastic protective sleeve for safe carrying and storage. Constructed from durable D6A and M2 steel, the blade is resistant to deformation and features a black-coated surface that prevents rust, extending the saw's lifespan. A small hole in the blade allows for easy storage. The ergonomic aluminum handle ensures a strong connection to the blade, preventing it from falling off during powerful cutting. Made from high-quality TPE and ABS materials, the handle provides a comfortable, non-slip grip. It also includes 45 degrees and 90 degrees marking guides for convenient angle marking. This crosscut saw is suitable for various applications, including sawing, woodworking, trimming, gardening, and pruning. It's easy to use for both professionals and amateurs and is capable of cutting wood, boards, PVC, branches, and more. The Jorgenson 15-inch handsaw is a reliable and durable tool for any cutting task. Number 7. The 13.4-inch track saw square guide is a precision tool designed to enhance the accuracy and efficiency of electric circular saw operations. It allows for quick and precise setting of slicing or milling angles, particularly convenient for achieving perfect 90-degree vertical cuts. Constructed from high-quality materials, including CNC-milled aluminum angle stops and 304 stainless steel, the guide is durable, stable, and resistant to damage or bending. This ensures a long service life, making it a reliable tool in any workshop. Installation and use are straightforward and user-friendly. The guide attaches easily to the guide rail and self-aligns, facilitated by a quick clamping lever. This simplicity eliminates the need for complex adjustments, streamlining the cutting process. Compatible with Makita and Festool guide rails, the track saw square guide measures 13.4 inches in length, 3.5 inches in width, and 0.31 inches in thickness. Its contact edge aligns smoothly with workpiece edges, ensuring precise and consistent cuts with every use. Number 8. The Wolfcraft Vario 3D measuring and marking angle is a versatile project aid designed for precise measuring and marking on both flat surfaces and three-dimensional workpieces such as beams and pipes. It features a foldable design, making it adaptable for various applications in DIY projects. Key features include a millimeter scale for accurate measurements, stops for 45 degrees and 90 degrees angles, as well as a scale for free angles ranging from 0 to 180 degrees, providing flexibility in angle measurements. Functions as a marking gauge and compass, enhancing its utility in marking tasks. Practical dimensions. When unfolded, it has a 240 mm edge dimension on the long side and a 170 mm edge dimension on the short side, making it suitable for universal use in DIY projects. Universal millimeter scale accommodates measuring applications up to 115 mm, ensuring versatility and precision in various woodworking and construction tasks. Number 9. The AUCO A002P Hands-Free Solid Steel Door Clamp is a tool designed for carpenters and woodworking professionals. Its primary function is to securely hold doors and timber panels during installation or woodworking tasks. It can accommodate doors and panels up to 2.56 inches, 65 millimeters, wide due to its sturdy solid steel construction, which ensures durability and reliability. Adjustable feet on the clamp provide stability, allowing for precise positioning and a better overall finish when installing doors. The jaws of the clamp are covered with felt, which protects the surface of the door from scratches and dents while it is being held in place. Operation of the clamp is facilitated by a tread plate, which allows it to be easily operated with the foot, leaving the hands free to handle the door or panel being installed. Additionally, the clamp comes with a 1.5-inch, 38 millimeters, door lifter as an additional feature, aiding in lifting and positioning doors effectively. Overall, the AUCO A002P Hands-Free Solid Steel Door Clamp is a versatile and practical tool that enhances efficiency and precision in door installation and woodworking projects. Number 10. This corner chisel, 90 square mortise chisel, is a versatile tool ideal for woodworking tasks like hinge recesses, door hanging, and framing, which aligns perfectly with your interest in DIY projects and tool reviews. It's designed to accurately and swiftly chisel 90 square corners, catering even to beginners in woodworking. Unlike spring-loaded chisels, it can cut deeper with a maximum depth of 2.76 inches, enhancing its efficiency and versatility. Crafted from high-hardness steel, the chisel blade is durable and sharp, capable of handling various types of wood without deformation. It features a comfortable handle and a robust metal knockout cap, allowing for safe and efficient use with a gentle hammer tap to chisel out precise square corners. Whether for cabinet making, picture frames, or other woodworking applications requiring precise corners, this tool is indispensable. Its reliability and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any woodworking toolkit.